Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to host a WordPress website for free. The first option that I would recommend that you give a try is 00webhost.com, and with 00webhost.com you'll be able to host your WordPress website for completely free. As you can see right here, 100% free of charge, and you don't have to worry about any ads, and also it's quite easy to install your WordPress website with one click, and it's faster than most paid hosts. And also, if you do not have a domain name at the moment, you don't have to worry about that, as they'll provide you with a free domain name. The second option that you could also look into is infinityfree.net. And with infinityfree.net, again, it's completely free as the name says, and you'll be able to host your WordPress website without have to worry about signing up with any credit card or anything like that. It's completely free, no ads, and also Infinity Free is highly rated. As you can see right here, unlimited hosting, 99.9% uptime. And you can see it's completely free, no hidden charges, and as I said earlier, no credit card required to sign up, no ads on your site, and you'll be able to host any domain. So you'll be able to bring your own domain name, or you could also pick from one of their free subdomain names from over 25 domain extensions. This is one of the most highly rated free web hosting around. And the third one that you could also give a try is AccuWebHosting.com. With AccuWebHosting, as you can see right here, again, it does not require a credit card to sign up, and it's completely free, and you don't have to worry about advertisements on your website. And you can see right here, you'll be able to host one website, 2 gig SSD storage, and 30 gig bandwidth, and also 768 MB RAM. And you'll use a shared vCPU. And you can see right here, it's free for life. So you don't have to worry about a trial period or anything like that. And if in the future you'd like to upgrade, you can easily upgrade for $3.99 per month. And you can see right here, you'll also get a free emails, as you can see, cPanel control, and it will be ideal for a person that has a website that is expecting monthly visitors for up to 5,000. And the third one on the list is ByteHost. And with ByteHost, again, it's completely free, and as the previous one, you don't need a credit card to sign up, and you don't have to worry about ads or anything like that, and it's a completely free plan. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend that you give Wix a try also. With Wix.com, you'll be able to set up a website for completely free. So if you're planning to do some e-commerce or so on, Wix is definitely one of the best ones around, and you can start for completely free. You'll get a website for free that's easy to customize and all of that. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.